Alright guys, I have a mystery that needs solving. Can you help me with my mystery today?
Yes.
Alright. So before we get started, do you remember last week when we talked about fact families? Fact families talk about how addition and subtraction are related within a fact family. That's what we learned last week. Each fact family has 2 addition and 2 subtraction equations, and it uses 3 numbers for all 4 of those equations. Well, we're going to be using our knowledge of our fact families to help us solve the mystery today, okay? So the reason that we're having this lesson today is to help us to use fact families to solve subtraction equations, okay? So let's say our I can statement. Mirror me.
Mirror me.
Mirror with words.
Mirror with words.
I can.
I can.
Use addition.
Use addition.
To solve.
To solve.
Subtraction equations.
Subtraction equations.
So how are we going to do this? We're going to do it by me teaching and modeling the think addition strategy. You're then, Elijah, going to be able to practice it with a partner, and then you're going to get to go to your desk and do it on your own, okay? So here is the mystery. I left to go to the store, and there were 8 cookies in my jar. But when I got home, some of my cookies were missing. I think that my son Josh, he ate some of them. So the cookies that are left are sitting here on the counter. But I need to have some help to find out how many are missing, okay? So this is where I'm going to teach you the think addition strategy to help me solve the mystery. Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, turn and face me. So the think addition strategy shows us how to look at a subtraction equation and think, what addition fact can help me to solve that subtraction equation? So let me model for you how that looks. So here is a subtraction equation. 12 minus 6 equals question mark. So I'm going to think, what addition fact, thinking about my fact families, that could help me to solve this subtraction equation. So if I think about my doubles fact in a fact family, I know that 6 plus question mark, because I need to ask what goes with 6 to make 12. So 6 plus question mark equals 12. So I know that my doubles facts, 6 plus 6 equals 12. So I'm going to check my work. I'm going to count on to make sure that I am correct, that 6 plus 6 equals 12. So you want to help me count on? Ready?
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
So 6 plus 6 equals 12. So that must mean 12 minus 6 equals 6. All right? Let's try another one. 11 minus 5 equals question mark. So I'm going to use the think addition strategy that asks what 5 plus another, I'm not writing my question mark right, another number equals 11. So what number goes with 5 that will equal 11? Does somebody have some ideas? Felania?
6.
6. Well, let's try it. Let's see if 5 plus 6 equals 11. So let's count on and see if that's correct. Are you ready? Can you help me? All right, ready?
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
So 5 minus 5 equals 6. Do you see how using our fact families helped me to ask what number went with 5 to equal 11, and then I knew that if 5 plus 6 equals 11, 11 minus 5 equals 6. Do you see that? That's the think addition strategy. You look at a subtraction sentence, you ask yourself what addition fact will help me to solve the subtraction. Chase, where are your hands supposed to be, sweetheart? Thank you. All right, so now it's your turn to practice. Are you ready?
Yeah.
All right. If my back row friends will please pick up your boards and start passing them forward. Good job, London, at passing the correct boards forward. Good job, Emily, for passing the correct boards forward. Excellent. Now, your board is going to sit in your lap. Now, if my back row friends will please pick up the markers and do the same thing. Looking for friends who are sitting up straight and tall. Thank you, Eric, for sitting up straight and tall, being ready. Wonderful job, my friends. Thank you, London. London remembered that her marker needs to go in her square. Her hands are folded and on her board. Thank you, London. Thank you, Emily, for hands folded and marker in your square. Excellent job. So now it's your turn to practice the think addition strategy with your partners. So I'm going to put the subtraction equation on my board. And we're going to look at it and ask ourselves, what number goes with 5 to equal 9? So I want you to pick your markers up, tops off markers, put it on the back, and let's write this addition equation so that we can discuss with our partner what number goes with 5 to equal 9. So let's write 5. Everybody pick up markers, write 5 on your boards, plus question mark equals 9. Equation on your board in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Tops on markers, markers in your square, eyes on the speaker. Top on marker, marker in square, eyes on speaker. All right, now you have the addition equation on your board that you're going to discuss with your partner to find out what number goes with 5 to equal 9. So we're going to practice the think addition strategy, okay? So we'd like for you to turn to your carpet partner with your board still in your lap. Turn to your carpet partner all the way. Remember, when we are doing our carpet shares, your eyes are on your speaker, your ears are listening, your hands are folded and on your board. You are going to share this way. I think, tell the number that you think is the question mark, and then you, good job, and share, your partner's going to share what they think. You can say, I agree, or I think it's, and then you share what you think the number is, okay? Are you ready?
Yes.
So, friend with the longest hair go first. I think, ready, set, teach.
Okay. I think that it's 4. I agree. Good job. Good job.
Fantastic. Y'all shared so quickly. I heard many of you sharing correctly. I heard the I thinks. I heard some I agrees, and I love how you complimented your partner on a great job. So, now that you have discussed what you think the number is that needs to go with 5 plus 4 equals 9, I want you to pick your markers up, erase your question mark, and get ready to write the number that you shared with your partner. Are you ready? On your mark, get set, go. Write the number. And once you're done, thank you, Felania. She remembered to show me her board. Excellent job. Remember, your board is on your chest so that I can see your answers. Markers are down in 3, 2, 1. Boards up. Excellent, excellent. Oh, London, good job. So I see that a lot of us look like we shared the number 4. So boards down. Let's check and see if 5 plus 4 equals 9. So let's check that. Are you ready? Let's do our counting on. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 5 plus 4 equals 9. All right, your boards are in your lap, your markers are in your square, your eyes are up here. So, if 5 plus 4 equals 9, then 9 minus 5 equals, what do y'all think? Tell me. 4! The fact family of 5, 4, and 9 just helped us to solve our subtraction equation. 9 minus 5 equals 4 is one of those subtraction equations in a fact family. 5 plus 4 equals 9 is another addition equation in the fact family. Excellent job. Y'all did great. Let's practice one more. You ready? All right, markers up. Erase your boards. 3, 2, 1. Markers down. Hands folded. Great job, Riley, for getting done so quickly. Thank you, Chase. All right, Elijah, hands are folded. All right, ready? Here's our next one that we're going to practice together. Here is our subtraction equation. 10 minus 8 equals question mark. So we're going to think, what number goes with 8 to equal 10? There's our addition equation to help us. So let's pick up our markers. Tops on the backs. Let's write the addition equation. 8 plus question mark equals 10. Go. 8 plus question mark equals 10. Markers down in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Top back on marker, marker down. Okay. Now we have our addition equation to help us solve this subtraction equation. So just like before, in just a second, you're going to turn with your carpet partner and you're going to discuss what number you think goes with 8 to equal 10. Are you ready? Turn to your carpet partner. Friend with the shortest hair, go first. I think. Ready, set, teach.
Okay. I think 2.
Excellent job. Fantastic. Sharing. I love how you said I agree.
Good job. Good job.
Y'all are doing an excellent job at being respectful listeners. I love how you are still complimenting your partners. I heard the I think and you gave a number. I heard people saying I agree. Excellent job. So now, Markers up. Erase your question mark. And get ready to write the number that you shared with your partner. Are you ready? Get ready to write in 3, 2, 1, go. Remember when you are done, tap on your marker in square, then hold your board up. I want you to count on and check that. Good job, Elisha. I'm glad once I said something, you remembered. 8 plus what? What did you and your partner share? Excellent. All right, boards are up, markers are down. In 3, 2, 1, done. Oh, I am so excited at the numbers that I see. So, 8 plus what equals 10? Everybody tell me.
2.
Let's count on and check to make sure that that is correct. Are you ready? Boards in your lap, because I want us to be able to use our hands to help us with our counting on. Are you ready?
Yes.
Riley, board in lap, please. Chase, remember, hands are folded until time. Ready? 8,
9, 10.
So, we just checked our work, and 8 plus 2 equals 10. So, if 8 plus 2 equals 10, what could 10 minus 8 equal?
2.
Kyra, what do you think? You look excited to tell me.
I think it's 2.
I think you are correct, because we're using our fact families to help us with the think addition strategy. So if we know, Chloe, eyes up here please. If we know 8 plus 2 equals 10, then 10 minus 8 must equal 2. Use your smart brain. I am so proud of y'all for giving me your respectful listeners. Y'all have stayed on task. Awesome job. So now we need to start getting ready to go practice the think addition strategy and help me solve the cookie mystery. Are you ready?
Yes,
All right, let's get our boards cleaned off. So markers up. Get ready to erase. Go. Erasing is done in 5, 4, 3, do not need to tell me, 2, 1, done. Excellent job at erasing your board so quickly. So let's get our supplies put away. If you will please take your boards and start passing them back front row. Thank you so much. Emily, thank you so much for having those hands folded until it was time for you to pass your board back. Excellent job. Awesome. Thank you so much. Good job, London, for paying attention and getting those boards back. All right, markers back.
There. Drop one.
So I want to show you, turn and face the smartboard please. Excellent job at getting those supplies put away, my friends. So I want to show you what your paper is going to look like. I need to see Dajane's eyes. I need to see Jeremiah's eyes. Joshua, can you please show me the correct way to sit in our square? Awesome. So I want you to see what it looks like before you go to your desk. So here is my cookie mystery. I have the story here for you. I have a box here for you to be able to show your work and how you used the think addition strategy. And it just simply says, read the story and solve. Use your addition equation to help you solve. And you're going to show me what the addition equation was and the subtraction equation, okay? You think you can do that?
I think so.
I know you can do that. So, again, when I got home, after going to the store, there were only 8 cookies in my jar. When I left, there were 8 cookies in my jar. I'm sorry, guys. But when I got back, there were some missing. Pretty sure my son Josh, he ate those cookies. But I need to find out how many are missing. The cookies that are left are on the counter. You can see my picture right there. So how are you going to help me solve? You're going to help me solve by using the think addition strategy that we just practiced on the carpet, okay? So, when you get to your desk, you're going to get your pencil out, hands folded, and wait for further directions, okay?
Yes.
So, pencils out, hands folded. Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, let me see who can follow those directions. Red row. Looking to see. I already see Hunter doing exactly what I asked. Thank you, Hunter. Orange row. Green. Good job, Hunter. I see Hunter has his pencil out and his hands are folded. Blue row. Thank you, Heidi. I see your hands are folded and pencil is out. Purple row. Thank you, Delaney. I see her pencil out and her hands folded. Thank you, Ryan. I see your pencil out and hands folded. Great job, Cairo. Pencil out and hands folded. Fantastic. Excellent. Let's make sure that all of my friends followed those directions. All right. First thing I do.
It's always the same. I pick up my pencil and write my name.
Excellent job. Please write your name and the date. 2/13-19. If you need it, it's right here on the board. Right there. All right. Pencils down, eyes right here. Thank you, Eric. Good job, table 1 and 2. Got it, Josh? All right, pencil down, good job. Thank you, table 5 and 6. Sajane, I love your respectful listening right now. Thank you, sweetheart. All right, you got it, Jeremiah? 2-13-19. Do you have your glasses with you today? Okay. All right, so here are your directions. Read the story, solve by writing your addition equation and your subtraction equation. When you are done, you are going to fold your hands, put your pencil back in your special spot, and if you would like, you can show me another way that you could solve that subtraction equation or solve my math story, my cookie mystery, okay? You can show me another way inside that box as well, but I would like to see your addition equation and your subtraction equation, okay? Yes, Heidi?
Do you do the same thing that was on
The think addition strategy? Yes, ma'am. That's what we're doing. You're going to ask yourself what number goes with how many cookies are on the counter. Do you see those cookies?
4.
They're how many, Josh?
4.
4. Very good, Josh. So, Heidi, you're going to ask yourself what number goes with 4 and how many cookies were in the jar to start with? 8. So think about the numbers. Think about how we use the think addition strategy, okay? And solve my cookie mystery, okay? I'm going to give you 5 minutes. I'm going to put the timer on the board, and I will give you a reminder when we have about 2 minutes left. Are you ready? As soon as I start the timer, you may begin.
Okay.
You may begin. Good job, Peyton. Good job. I love how you wrote your addition equation. Oh, Elijah. Love it. Very good, Chase. Good job, Dashna. I see you using another method. Very good. minus what? 4. Very good. That's right. 8 minus 4 because we're trying to find out how many are missing. We want to find out how many were eaten. 4. 8 minus 4 equals. That's right. We don't know. So what do we put there to show we don't know? Question mark. Very good. That's right. So that's what you're trying to find. You can show me another method that you could use to solve that? Awesome. That'll be great. Now use the think addition strategy and ask yourself, what number goes with 4 to equal 8? So write the addition equation now. Did we start with the bigger number when we started for addition? Where does the big number go for addition? Write that addition equation. I'm going to go look at some other friends, okay? I'm coming, Josh, in 1 second. You wrote the whole thing. I love it. Good job, Elijah. What number goes? What number goes with 4 to equal 8? This is right. But now you're asking yourself, what number goes with 4 to equal 8? Your 8 must go here. So fix that and I'll be right back. Where can you get this number from? 8. 50 first. 8 is what we started with, right? Okay. 8 is what we started with. And when I got home, there were only this many cookies left. So how many cookies is that? Can you count that many cookies? How many is that? Okay, so 8 minus 4 equals, I don't know, that's what I'm trying to find out, right? So this should be a question mark. You have 2 minutes left. You have 2 minutes left. Question mark. Now use the addition equation. What goes with 4 to equal 8? You're going to write 4 plus question mark equals 8. Okay? Excellent, excellent. I love that you showed me another method. Awesome. I love that. Perfect shape. What goes with 4 to equal 8? You see? This is correct. This back here. And then I want you to try to figure out what goes there. Move that there and then look. I like where your thinking is going. Awesome job. Love you. I see that. Awesome job, Eric, for choosing something. Excellent. Oh, Emily, thank you for counting on. She is checking her work. Good job, Emily. Where's your addition equation? Where's your subtraction equation? And we need to see the subtraction equation. Right. Time is up. Eyes right here. And eyes right here. Pencils are down. And eyes are here. All right. Is there anybody that still did not get finished? Okay. Chloe and Josh, what we're going to do is during station time, I will sit with y'all and we'll talk about it and work on it a little bit more together, okay? Okay? No worries. All right, I want you to take your pencils and put them inside your box. nothing to be upset about. All right, your pencils are up, hands are folded. I want you to leave your paper on your desk, and I will pick it up in just a minute and go over those and check to make sure that we understood. I'm going to call you by tables to come back to your carpet seat. Table 1, 2. Thank you, Hunter, for using nice walking feet. Thank you, Chloe, for sitting in your square correctly. 3 and 4. Thank you, Jeremiah, for pushing your chair in. Excellent. 5 and 6. Thank you. Good job. I am very proud at seeing you stay on task. I saw people using other strategies to check their work or to show how you could solve the math problem. Very good. So, what addition equation helped you to solve the cookie mystery? What addition equation helped you to solve the cookie mystery? Melania? What was the addition equation that you used to help you solve the cookie mystery?
So the first number I put was 4.
Okay.
Then the second number I put an plus, and then I put a question mark.
Okay. Because
And
that's
then
how
I
we
put
start.
Equal,
Equals.
and then I put 8.
So, 4 plus what number equals 8? Janelle?
4.
Give me a thumbs up if that was your addition equation. Awesome. So, let's check and see if that's right. Let's count on. Are you ready?
4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
So, how did this addition equation help you to solve the cookie mystery? Because what was the subtraction sentence or the subtraction equation? Hunter?
Well,
How many cookies were in my jar when I left for home? When I left to go to the store?
When you left to go to the store, there was 8.
8. And when I got back, there were how many cookies on the counter? Chloe?
4.
So I needed to find out how many my son ate. So how did this addition equation help you to solve the cookie mystery, Heidi?
Because you see another 4 with the 4, so you knew the last number was 8, 4.
Very good. Heidi knew that the addition equation, 4 plus 4 equals 8, and she saw how it was related to 8 minus 4 equals 4. Did anybody use another strategy to help them solve? Lynn?
I used 8 circles and marked out 4.
Would you like to come and show us how you did that? Awesome job, Lynn. Let's look and see how she used another method to help her check her work. She drew 8 circles because that's how many cookies were in the jar. She took all 4 because that's how many were left on the counter, and that shows that there were 4 cookies eaten out of the jar. Very good. Thank you. Give her a round of applause. Thank you, Lynn, so much. Let me go back to your square. So, not only did you use the think addition strategy to help you solve Adelaide, you all have other methods, other strategies that you can use, Chase, to help you solve subtraction, okay? So, today we remembered and used our addition fact families to help us solve the mystery. And the whole reason we did all of this today was so that we could understand how to use, I want y'all to turn back to my board, I want y'all to look at this, was to understand how to use addition to solve subtraction equations. So let's go ahead and restate our I can statement. Mirror me.
Mirror me.
Mirror with words.
Mirror with words.
I can.
I can.
Use addition.
Use addition.
To solve.
To solve.
Subtraction equations.
Subtraction equation.
And we did this by me teaching you and modeling what the think addition strategy was, right, Eric? Then you got to practice using it with your friends on the carpet. And then you went to your desk and y'all practiced it on your own. So great job. Now, I wonder how we can use the think addition strategy in other places. Is there anywhere that you could think of that we could use the think addition strategy? Where can you use it, Eric? So Eric is saying that he could use it when he's reading a book. And if he has 10 pages in the book that he's reading, and he is on page 8, he knows that he can say 10 minus 8 equals question mark, and then use the think addition strategy and say, so 8 plus what equals 10? So that would give you how many pages left? 2 pages left to read. Good job. Can you think of anywhere else that you could use this strategy, Flania?
With some paper clips.
Paper clips? Oh, how would you do that? Explain.
So if we have 10 students in a classroom and then we have 22 paper clips, then I know that 10 plus...
What number goes with 10 to give you 22? So how many more paper clips you would need for the amount of students?
10.
10 plus what number equals 22, which would be 12. But I like your example. Teachers have to use the think addition strategy, Chase, all the time. We're always having to ask ourselves how many more we need of something or how many are left. And we have to look to see, well, I have this many and I need this many more. And so we use the think addition strategy a lot. Those are some great examples. Thank you so much for being respectful listeners. We're now going to continue practicing the think addition strategy at our math station. So let's turn and face our clips and get ready.